Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of Prompt Engineering Real Life Examples module, where in this video we'll be discussing how you can use ChatGPT or prompt engineering in legal affairs. It can be if you want to study law or if you are a lawyer and if you want to research about anything or any law, you want to gain knowledge about the legal information that would be involved in that. So yeah, in all those scenarios, you can use ChatGPT or AI in that. So yeah, without further ado, let's just jump right into ChatGPT. Okay, yes, so here I am with my ChatGPT open. Okay, so for the first scenario, let's just say if you are a lawyer, right? And you just completed your law education and you want to study more about how, law firm goes or how it works. And you basically want to study that field. So yeah, what can be different questions or possibilities that you can ask ChatGPT in order to get help from that? So basically for a lawyer, there are some of the factors that you need to have. So let's just see, you just want to research on that. So I'll be asking ChatGPT about that so I'm going to be asking what are the few psychological skills I need to develop in order to be a good lawyer. So let's just see what kind of suggestion is going to give it to us. All right, yeah. So as you guys can see, it gave me a lot of psychological skills that I should be having in order to be a good lawyer. So first one is critical thinking, and we have communication skills. Then we have emotional intelligence, research and analytical skills, problem solving abilities, and we do have many other skills as well. So yeah, these are basically about the knowledge, or you can say information you can get from ChatGPT if you are a lawyer and you want to excel in that field. So yeah, for the second based scenario, what we can get help from ChatGPT is, let's just say you want to research on some law, or you want to get knowledge about some laws and you want to know how that law works or something like that. How you can do. So let me just give you an example. Let's just ask ChatGPT now. All right, so here I am with the scenario. Let's just say you want to start a business in America and you want to know what are the basic laws that I need to follow in order to start a business. So let's just see what kind of laws we need to follow. All right, yeah. So as you guys can see, it just gave me a lot of different laws that you need to be following if you want to start a business in America. So it's just say, first of all, you need to have a business structure, and then you need to select a business name. You need to select a unique name for your business that is not already in use by another company in your state. And you can need to have business license and permits, employer identification number, which is EIN. Then you need to pay taxes, employment laws, and different laws that if you want to start a business, obviously these are a few basic laws that should be in your mind that you need to follow if you want your business to run and to be successful. So yeah, that was basically very helpful. So let's just dig a bit deeper into our law firm knowledge. So let's just ask one more question from ChatGPT. So I'm going to ask, what are the legal rights of tenants in eviction cases? So let's just see what kind of output is going to give it to us for that. All right, yeah, so it provided me a few of the legal rights that tenants have if they are getting evicted from their places. So yeah, it says tenants should have a right of notice. Obviously, they should have the opportunity to cure. Then due process, non-retaliation, then right to privacy, right to safe and habitable housing, right to legal counsel, and different things like that. So yeah, if you want, you can get more and more knowledge from ChatGPT on that, like how you want to play. You can do that as well, no problem at all. So let's just do the final example for today. Let's just see if you already know about a law and you want to get knowledge about that. Okay, so I'm just gonna hit the name of the law and ask ChatGPT to give me information about that. I'm gonna ask, what is tort law? All right, yeah. So as you guys can see, it gave me a little bit of a knowledge about tort law. It says a branch of civil law that deals with civil wrongs, injuries, or harms caused by one person to another. So obviously, it just gave me a lot of points as well, where you can get a better idea of what is tort law. So yeah, as you guys can see from that, you can get an idea like how you can use ChatGPT in your legal affairs, how you can apply prompt engineering into that. So obviously, these were a few of the scenarios, or you can say situation that I provided. So yeah, that was basically it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to check out more videos of prompt